Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Monday morning, February 13th, a bright moon right above me here. It's 54 degrees since I make this with clear skies. A cool front came through while you slept last night. And on the weather menu, we have 15 more days left in the month of February, and it looks like about 3 more storm systems stand out. One this week in the middle of the week, around Tuesday night into Wednesday. Another one early next week. That could be a really big deal. And then another one before about a week later, before the month ends. So roughly one a week from now through the end of February. So some active times again. Are you ready for your morning weather briefing? Here we go on a Monday morning.
On the map this morning, we see that blue line, the cold front that just went through here, now down on the Gulf Coast. And we see the big nor'easter that is blanketing the Northeast again, a blizzard. And the second in a row for them. But for us, it's a quiet day. It's a nice day. But we see the big storm system just out to the west of us. See that along the Rio Grande River. Sunny and cooler today here. Nice day. High 65, tonight's low 40. Northwest wind 7 to 14 miles per hour today. So a really great February day, but we're looking ahead. Tomorrow night, this is midnight tomorrow night, we can see the low-pressure area coming through South Mississippi, showers and thunderstorms moving into the area. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center says a marginal risk of severe weather into southwest Alabama and the coastal areas of Florida, and a slight risk covering much of South Louisiana. We'll have to watch that carefully. There's the low on Wednesday morning at 6 a.m. in South Alabama, and extensive precipitation shield with that. Then breezy and cooler behind the storm system on Thursday. I think Thursday will probably only be in the upper 50s for a high. The European out 5 days, showing the rainfall totals fairly light with this system, maybe a half an inch, maybe some places closer to an inch, maybe a third of an inch down in southeast Alabama. Tomorrow's high around 69, will be in the upper 50s on Wednesday and Thursday. And then you see the low temperature down to about 34 on Friday morning and around 42 on Saturday morning with mostly sunny skies. Here's the next big deal storm system a week later. This is Tuesday, February 21st, a week from tomorrow. But that looks like a severe weather producer, and maybe another one before the end of the month. So you've got the European showing the blue bars at the bottom, the storm system Tuesday and Wednesday. The one a week later, you see the temperatures bottoming out as we get towards Thursday, Friday morning, and then warming up again next week out ahead of that next storm system. GFS has the coldest morning at Friday morning. The warmest day will be on Tuesday, and then another big warm day before that big significant storm system next week on Tuesday, the 21st. We looked at a weather anniversary yesterday, the anniversary of the Montgomery tornado in 1945 that devastated the city and brought 26 dead. Today, another big weather anniversary. The coldest day ever in Alabama and the coldest day ever in Montgomery, from -5, -10 in Birmingham, -1 in Mobile, with ice floating on the Mobile Bay. It was one of the coldest days in the history of this country. With all the weather changes ahead over the next few days through the end of the month, download our weather app, get it on your phone now, or your tablet too, and tell your friends about it. It's really going to come in handy, and it's got push notifications on watches and warnings and a lot of great stuff. Check it out, if you will, today. And of course, there's a lot of weather anniversaries this time of the year for obvious reasons. There's a lot of energy in the atmosphere in February and March and April. We'll stay on top of all these storm systems, including that midweek storm system, plus the one a week beyond that one. That one, it looks even more concerning to me. I'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. I hope you join me. And also on Bama Country. And of course, there'll be blog posts as needed, and they show up on your app, on Facebook, and on Twitter, and another video for you tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Have a great Monday. Should be a beautiful day. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.